Hello everyone, once again welcome back to the art and craft class. This is Vasundhara. As you all know, Raksha Bandhan is coming, so you must be very excited to make Rakhi and everything. So Rakhi, I hope you all must be knowing. But in this class, I am going to tell you how to decorate a beautiful Raksha Bandhan thal. This will make your Rakhi also beautiful when you will keep your Rakhi in that beautiful thal. So let's get started. So as you can see, my thal is here. So we will start. What you have to do, first you have to take any thal. What you have to do first, just you have to cut a sheet of paper according to this size of your thal. So as you can see, white color sheet, any color you can use, whichever you want. Then you need different size of the circle. This is how you can see. We will not put in the middle because this area I am keeping it for decoration. So now another size circle, you can see center I have cut it. Give it a beautiful vibrant look. Now for the decoration part, what we have to do, I am going to tell you how to make a rose, because we will do the decoration with rose. You can also go with any other flower also. So first of all, what you want to do, take a circle and just you need to draw a spiral. Like this, and then you have to cut on this line like this. Just you have to cut like this. On complete spiral, when you will cut, you will get the shape something like this. Now you have to fold it in a round shape to make it rose. This is a very beautiful and simple technique to make a rose. You can see, just you have to roll it completely. This is how. You can see I am just rolling and nothing else. You have to roll till the end. Now the last center part, you will be applying a glue like this, and then you have to keep this on this, and just slowly you have to loose it. When you will loose, it will take a shape of a rose. As you can see, you have to hold it for a minute so that it sticks properly. You can see the beautiful rose is ready. So you won't need at least 5 rows. As you can see, I am having it. These rows. This is different colors. You can choose your color according to your creativity. This is how. Then you can put a leaf to give it a beautiful look. See children, it's completely your creativity how beautifully you decorate. And this is something different which if you will do on this Raksha Bandhan, everybody will love it. It's a beautiful thal. You can see just a small circle, and it is very simple also. It is not that you will not be able to do. You can see. And when you will keep your Rakhi in this, it will look amazing. This, and this stone you can use. If you don't have stone, it is completely fine. It looks like this also beautiful without the stone, as you can see here. Now this part I have left for the diya. This you can see. Okay, if you feel that this might get dirty or anything damaged to this, what you can do, you can just remove the diya. You can just use this plate as a rakhi to keep the rakhi. Or even the maybe chandan you can keep in this chandan, and that tika, roli you can keep in this. In this you can put a roli, and you can see you can also put a beautiful rakhi. You can see how wonderful it looks when you put in this beautiful thal your rakhi like this. So you can see the beautiful handmade thal is ready for the Raksha Bandhan. So for this children, instead of rose, you can go with some other flowers also. That is also very simple. I can show you. See, you can put this flower also, very simple to make. Just you need one big circle and a small circle, and just paste like this, not in the center, like this, and then apply glue here and just fold like this, so it will give a shape of a petal. So you need total 6 petals, and then when you will join it, those 6 petals, you will get the flower like this. And see, at the back I have taken one circle, so on this circle only you will paste. Okay, so this is how you beautiful flower you can create with your imagination. And if you don't have thali, so you can go with the plate decoration also for the Raksha Bandhan. So this is the plate. It's completely easy. You can see just a small strips I have pasted and a circle, and it looks amazing when you keep your Rakhi in this. You can see. So I hope you like it. I want to see your creativity and your effort. So please work something different on this Raksha Bandhan and make your Raksha Bandhan beautiful. Thank you so much.